Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Daily Vibes, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello, Julia. Hello, everyone. It's truly amazing to be here today for another awesome chat.
Hi, Steve. How are you doing today? You look super excited and ready for a journey.
I am fantastic, Julia. Thank you. I have my sunglasses on and my passport ready because I am super ready to talk about travel today.
I love that energy, Steve. Traveling is honestly one of the absolute best ways to use your English in real life.
Absolutely. When you travel, the language pops off the textbook page and becomes real survival skills.
Exactly. From checking in at the airport to getting your hotel key, every single step is a chance to build real speaking confidence.
But let's be honest with our Vibe Squad right now. Have you ever walked up to an immigration desk, felt your heart pounding, and suddenly forgot every English word you know?
Oh, that tight feeling in your chest is so common. You know what you want to say, but your mind just goes totally blank.
Yes, you are tired from a 10-hour flight, there is a huge line behind you, and you just want everything to go smoothly.
But don't worry at all, because today we are going to fix that together with smooth dialogues and practical expressions native speakers actually use.
By the end of this episode, you will know exactly what to say at the check-in desk, at passport control, inside a taxi, and at your hotel.
And pay close attention, Vibe Squad. If you stay until the very end, I will share a special golden trick that will instantly save you if you get lost or face a problem in a foreign city.
Wow, a golden trick for travel emergencies? I definitely need to hear that. My bags are packed.
You have to wait just a little bit, Steve.
Fair enough, but I am already super excited to learn these secrets.
Before we dive into our lesson, everyone please remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button right now.
Yes, please do. Share this video with a friend who loves traveling or is planning their next big trip abroad.
Your support means the world to us and helps our global community grow every single day.
It really does. Thank you so much, Vibe Squad.
Now, Steve, are you ready to jump into our story today?
I am completely ready. Let's do it.
To help us learn these travel phrases naturally, let's follow the story of a traveler named Leo on his big trip to London.
Ooh, London. Red buses, big clocks, and hot tea. Where does Leo's journey start?
It starts at the airport check-in counter. Leo walked up to the agent with his big blue suitcase.
Oh, that first step is always scary. What did the airline agent ask him right away?
The agent smiled and said, "Good morning. May I have your passport and booking confirmation, please?"
A classic opening question. How did Leo respond without getting nervous?
Leo kept it super simple. He handed over his documents, smiled, and said, "Here you go."
Here you go. Simple, polite, and clean. No need for a 10-minute speech.
Exactly. Then the agent pointed at his blue suitcase and asked, "Are you checking any bags today?"
Checking any bags. That means putting the heavy luggage under the plane.
Spot on. Leo pointed at his suitcase and said, "Yes, I need to check this one, and I have this small backpack as a carry-on."
Carry-on. That is the little bag you carry inside the plane with you. Great word.
Then Leo wanted a good view of the sky, so he asked politely, "Is it possible to get a window seat, please?"
Is it possible to get? That phrasing is pure magic. It sounds so friendly and respectful.
The agent smiled, printed his boarding pass, and sent him off to the gate.
Airport check-in completed. Level 1 clear. What came next for Leo?
Next came the giant challenge: passport control after landing in London.
Ooh, immigration. Walking up to that glass booth always makes people feel like they are in trouble.
It really does. The border officer looked serious, took Leo's passport, and asked, "What is the purpose of your visit?"
Purpose of your visit. They just want to know why you are entering the country.
Exactly. And this is where many learners make a mistake by telling their whole life story.
Please don't tell the officer about your aunt's cat or your childhood dreams. Keep it direct.
Right. Leo simply answered, "I am here on vacation for 2 weeks."
Perfect. Short, clear, and honest.
The officer then asked, "Where will you be staying during your visit?"
And Leo showed his hotel reservation paper, right?
Yes, he said, "At the Grand Central Hotel downtown," and showed his phone screen. Visual aids are a traveler's best friend.
Stamp, passport approved. Leo stepped out into the rainy streets of London.
He needed to get to his hotel, so he walked over to the taxi stand.
Taxis can be tricky if you don't know the city roads or prices.
True. Leo opened the taxi door and asked politely, "Could you take me to the Grand Central Hotel, please?"
Could you take me to... That is so much better than just shouting a street name.
To avoid any expensive monetary surprises, Leo also asked, "Do you use a meter or is it a flat rate?"
Asking about the meter ensures you pay the exact official price. Smart move, Leo.
When they arrived at the hotel entrance, Leo said, "You can drop me off right here by the main doors. Thank you."
Drop me off. A fantastic phrasal verb for getting out of a vehicle.
Finally, Leo walked into the hotel lobby, exhausted but happy. He walked up to the front desk and said, "Hi, I have a reservation under the name Leo Miller."
I have a reservation under the name. That sounds like a seasoned world traveler.
The receptionist checked her computer and gave him his electronic key card.
Did Leo ask about breakfast? Because breakfast is always top priority.
You know it. Leo asked, "What time is breakfast served? And could I please have the Wi-Fi password?"
The two most important questions in any hotel on earth: food and internet.
Exactly. He got his key, went up to his room, and enjoyed a perfect vacation because he knew exactly what to say.
What a practical and clear story, Julia. Leo handled that entire journey like a total pro.
Absolutely. Now, let's step out of the story and open our linguistic toolkit to break down these travel phrases. First, let's look at the phrasal verb check in. Check in means to register your arrival at an airport counter or a hotel desk.
Example: we need to check in at the hotel before 5 o'clock.
Next, we have the phrase carry on.
A carry-on is the small bag or backpack you take inside the airplane cabin with you, not under the plane.
Example: I don't need to check bags because I only brought a small carry on.
What about drop off?
Drop off means to take someone to a specific destination in a car or taxi and leave them there safely.
Example: the taxi driver will drop me off in front of the art museum.
And finally, the politeness shield phrase. Is it possible to?
This phrase softens any request. Instead of saying, give me a quiet room, you say, is it possible to get a quiet room?
It makes you sound polite, friendly, and natural instantly. Native speakers love it.
This travel breakdown is crystal clear, Julia. Now, listeners, it is time for everyone's favorite section, the Community Challenge.
Yes, we want to see you practicing these travel tools right now in our comments section.
We have a special secret word for today's episode. Julia, tell the squad what the secret word is.
Today's secret word is passport. Passport.
Type
passport in the comments below and answer this question for us.
Tell us, what is your absolute dream travel destination in the whole world?
For example, you can write passport. My dream travel destination is Japan.
Or passport. I want to visit Italy and eat delicious pizza.
Show us your dream destinations. We read, reply to, and heart as many comments as we can.
We really do. And if this travel guide helped you today, please hit that like button and share it with your friends.
All right, Julia, the moment of truth has finally arrived.
Time to deliver on my promise.
What is that special golden trick you promised at the start for travel emergencies or when you get lost in a new city?
Here is the golden trick. It is called the two-step location saver.
The two-step location saver? How does it work?
Step 1, before you step out of your hotel, take a small paper business card from the front desk with the hotel's exact address printed on it.
Oh, brilliant! So even if your phone battery dies, you have the physical paper.
Exactly. And step 2, if you get lost or confused, simply show that card to any taxi driver or local person and ask, "Could you help me find this address, please?"
That is simple, genius, and stress-free. It completely eliminates the fear of getting lost in a foreign country.
Exactly. It guarantees you will always find your way back to a warm bed.
This was an extraordinarily practical lesson, Julia. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Steve. And thank you to our amazing Vibe Squad watching all around the world. Keep practicing, keep traveling, and goodbye, everyone.
Bye, everyone. Safe travels, and keep your English vibes flowing.